Hmm. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Prashant. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine. Very good.
Have you refined the setup or you're using the same one now?
No, I am just see. I am shifting my trading from index options to stocks slowly because of this study. Slowly, I am able to come out of my index options thing. I think
Good, good.
that's good. Now I am able to. I'm doing the screening of stocks, making my watch list. I'm busy in that
Mhm.
using these three confluence indicators.
Yes, yes,
Writing my own notes for each thing and
yes.
trying to devise some future trade plan based on my psychology, which suits my psychology.
Yes, that is the most important thing.
Yeah. Previously, I'm
Yes.
not used to screening and sorting out stocks. Usually, just
Uh-huh.
follow index, do some options trade, and long term investing. खरीद लिया छोड़ दिया करके. But now slowly
Uh-huh.
I'm trying to trade in stocks based on different options or cash.
Yes.
I'm trying to design based on these three indicators only, frankly speaking.
Yeah, so these three are the things which will give us everything which we need.
Yes, yes,
We'll have a trend, we'll have bias, we will know the momentum, we know the force.
yes,
So
yes. Only I
basically
compare.
all price action.
Hmm. For the range
When
analysis,
we
also the PFI is indicating whether it is book the target or hold for some time.
yes,
That's
yes.
good. I'm using the recent green change indicator which you share. No? That's for the screen stocks weekly.
Yes,
And I'm making a green
the
watch
screener.
screener.
Yes.
And based on that, I'm writing notes and putting stocks in two different categories where fixed target or breakout type thing. And as per that, I'm trying to take positions in them slowly. So
Okay, okay.
I haven't tested any back tested anything after that. So just but that back testing only has given me the push to do these things.
Yes, without backtesting, it's difficult. Otherwise, you will not develop the conviction in method.
Yeah, that's true.
Backtesting, bar replays,
Hmm.
all these things are very, very useful. They are highly underrated.
Yes.
Okay, then we'll go to the charts. This is the disclaimer. The session is not for giving buy or sell recommendations. We are just doing it for study purpose. Let me share the chart. Which charts do you want to discuss today? Anyone? Tell me any name.
Tejas.
Tejas. Tejas Network.
Yes, Tejas Network.
So based on the chart, what do we see here? Let me. What I will do is I will share the chart from my desktop. That will be better. I have larger screen on desktop.
Hmm.
Give me 1 minute. Yes. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Pages. Yes. So this is the chart of Tejas Networks. And what do we see based on our TRT? Trend is down. Recently, there was a big gap down also. Uh, There was some up move, then big gap down here, one more gap down here. This may turn out to be a spring. It may not be a spring, and trend may still remain down. If it reverses, it may take a lot of time. If we see the momentum is downwards. Bias is also downwards. We can see strongest bearish momentum, strongest bearish bias, and the strength, the trend score is 8, which is minimum. So everything is bearish. Trend is down. What do we see on PFI? There were two bullish PFIs, and after that, after first one, there was some retracement. Again, it went up, but right now there is nothing. So based on this, if I have to do anything, I don't think this is a FNO stock, and I will not do anything. I will not buy this. And exit level was here was the earlier sign of exit. Here, this one was earliest sign of exit when it closed below green band and turned red. So at that time, it was around 1150. Now it is at 640. If somebody missed this, then this is second level 1058. This could have been used as exit. And there is no buying triggered till now. As per the rules for buying, TRT should be green. Now I have actually Murli sir has made these observations and I have included those in the rules. So first thing, TRT should be green. Second thing, when it is green, PFI should be high. So when we add PFI, this PFI should be high, and that high PFI should be at least 2 times. Right now I kept the setting of 5 times. This is 5, but it should be at least twice. So PFI should be at least 2 times of average. And then what I prefer is price should close above this red band, the thicker one. This is the bias band. If it closes above that and then comes down for retracement, it has better chances of giving us good entry. When price comes down, at that time, there should not be big down candles or big gaps downside. So here we had a big gap down when price came to this buying area. Therefore, it has failed and price has gone down below it. Till now, fresh buying signal has not started, and this can be a buying like this one. S- Sometimes it goes up more, and sometimes it comes falling. It does not go up; it keeps falling. If it reverses from here, what I want to say is it should close above these red bands, and after that, it will come down for retracement entry. So that will be my best retracement entry at that time. If candle closes above 757, 756 level, then it will turn green again. At that time, this band, if price closes above that, that will be a good sign. And there should be a momentum band like this green band. There should be a momentum band one more time. I'll change color of this momentum band. So there should be a momentum band, and this kind of green band when present, it is the bias band or chart time frame band. So when chart time frame band comes and prices are above that, then it is good for momentum. Right now it is in downtrend, strongly bearish. So contrarian traders may do anything. I don't like to do contrarian trades. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And if we check weekly chart, weekly has also turned red. So weekly, this was a level where buying was triggered. The green color candle is here. Price is above momentum band. So it was strongly bullish. Green band is here. So entry level was around 100 and it has given exit on weekly chart at around 887. Now it has turned red once here and one more time here. These could be used as a partial exits, and final exit happens when price closes below the chart time frame band and it is red. So red means it has turned in downtrend on TRT, and this is a band of chart time frame. So bias is also bearish. So based on this chart, it is not a good stock to keep on holding for me. I will not hold this. It may come up, it may go up to this, again it may fall down. We don't know what will happen, but I will not buy it. Okay, next chart.
Sir, can I ask something?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So this momentum band, it appears initially, and then the thicker line, that chart time frame band, appears later on. So once the chart time frame appears, that's the time that we should enter for a long term investment or something like that.
And if we enter after the chart time frame band appears, then it may be late entry.
Okay. Okay.
So when we take early entry, we have to have this momentum band in our favor.
Okay. Okay.
And it should be so three basic rules. First, TRT should be green.
Yes, sir.
Then PFI should be strongly bullish.
Yes, sir.
And momentum should be bullish. Because when we buy, suppose it is just fresh uptrend here.
Yeah.
At that time, chart time frame green band will not appear. It will take
Yes.
some time.
Yes, sir.
But momentum band will start.
Yes, sir.
So if momentum band is present, like uh, let me see if there is a free hand drawing or not. Brush. Okay, just a minute. I will draw some line. So it is possible that that momentum band may start from here like this, and thick band of chart time frame will start later on.
Yes,
So
sir.
first momentum will come
Yes,
from
sir.
here when price closes above this and then comes down for retracement. If this momentum band is present
Yeah.
and it is bullish, then it is a good sign. And another sign is this bearish momentum band, it should disappear because
Okay.
this is a bearish momentum. If it is continuously present, then there are chances that it may still go down
Okay.
because
Sir,
the force on downside is still intact.
yes, sir. Sir, here it can be seen in on the left side in March, April. The way you are explaining.
Here,
No, no, on the extreme
yes,
left side. Extreme left side. Yeah.
here, yes. So it disappeared here. See
Yes.
the green band, the momentum band appeared here, and
Hmm.
this bearish momentum disappeared.
Yes, sir.
Price closed above that. This disappeared here. Prices are above here.
Yeah.
And when prices close above the chart time frame band, after
Yeah.
that it is good chance that it will go into momentum.
Okay. Above chart time frame brand, you want to say?
Yes. So above that it is good chance that it will go into momentum.
Okay. Okay.
But before that we are likely to get retracement entry.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Fine.
So it is early trend when chart time frame band has not appeared,
Huh.
but TRT is green, momentum band is appearing. It is early uptrend.
Late.
We get retracement entries.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. And
And
in May there is a chart time frame green band thicker line also is seen. Yeah,
yes,
and price is above that. So that time it is in phase E.
yes.
Okay. Okay. So that time,
So see here it turned green,
yes, sir.
went up,
Yeah.
went up and closed above red band,
Yes,
went
sir.
up above this green band also,
Yeah.
which has disappeared. It
Huh.
appeared later on.
Yes,
Then
sir.
it came down and this lucky line entry was triggered here in this
Yes, sir.
candle. So at
Yes,
close of this candle, it is buy signal.
yes,
After
sir.
that, there is a big momentum on upside.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other questions? Any other chart?
Sir, Cohen's Life Sciences.
Yes. So this is a chart of Cohen. And what do we see here? There was nice uptrend from here. And before that, there was some downward sideways movement. We can see there was this black band of downward momentum. Once that disappeared, nice uptrend started. As long as there was this black band, prices were sideways. Once prices significantly closed above that and that band disappeared, it just went into nice momentum. Now, what do we see here? The black band is present here. And momentum band of bullish side is just starting here. Price chart time frame red band is present. Price has crossed that and chart time frame green band has started appearing. Uh, this was the first green, price came down, gave retracement, went up. First target is done, and there was strong bearish momentum or strong bearish PFI, which is negated easily. Therefore, it came down, gave retracement, went up. This is early uptrend. Now, why this green failed? Because there is continuous black band present and momentum band of bullish side is absent. Therefore, this has failed. That's why whenever we want to buy, momentum band for upside must be present. Now, if it comes down, it is good. We can take a retracement entry. It has already given one retracement entry. We can take one more retracement entry. In PFI, what do we see? Bull bias and average ratio shows bears are stronger. So PFI side, nothing for bulls. We can look for first target and maybe complete exit at first target, or partial profit booking and trailing stop loss kind of thing can be done. It
Is
is
it not
likely
fair?
to. Yes, it is phase C. If we see,
Yes, spring followed by ST.
yeah, so we have a spring here after a trading range. Spring and secondary test has happened. So it can go for creek also. And this is the highest body here. Yeah, this is the highest close. And we had this green color, price went up, came down, gave retracement entry in the buying area. At this time, this band was present. And even though price went below this, it gave retracement in lower buying area and went up, completed first target. Right now, it is a spring, secondary test, and phase D has started. So till here we can mark phase C. And if you want to use my Wyckoff schematic, then stop loss will be below this. This is very important level. If candle closes below that, that will be a bad signal. And if we get a retracement, that is fine. A retracement entry, and we can place our target somewhere here. That will be first target. If it breaks out, then we can have bigger moves.
So your chart time frame band has not yet appeared. Thick greenish band.
Yes, chart time frame is, we can see chart time frame band is here. So this
But that is red
L
band.
shape line, this L shape
Okay.
line, are you able to see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And because there should not be this kind of confusion, we have labels also. You can just enable these labels.
Okay.
And CR means chart red, it is present. CG means chart green, it is present. IIR means invisible input red. So input red has become invisible.
Huh.
Though it is still visible to us,
Hmm.
but by calculations it is invisible. So in next candle it will not be visible. And we can see IG. So input green is present, input red or momentum on downside has become invisible. Chart red is still present, it will take some more time. But when chart red becomes, when it disappears and chart green creates a higher step
Hmm.
like this, higher step like this. So that time this will become green, and after that momentum is likely to increase.
Okay.
Before that, retracement entries are better.
Okay. Okay. So IR is momentum rate, right? Momentum is
Yes, input red or momentum red.
momentum. Okay. Okay.
You can change your labels from here. You can write whatever you want.
Okay. Okay. Inputs, right? Okay.
But as far as possible, keep it to default.
Hmm.
Otherwise, you may cause confusion later on.
Hmm.
What is the label? But it is written here. Input or
Input.
momentum time frame red band.
Yes, sir.
So there should not be any confusion in even if you type anything, you can refer to what is written here
Okay. Okay.
and the color. You should know what color you have given to it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next chart.
So Bajaj Auto.
Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto. Now tell me, what do you see in Bajaj Auto?
Yeah, it is in a schematic, sideways schematic.
Yes, so it is sideways right now, maybe in a downtrend on this kind of trend lines, maybe a falling wedge kind of a schematic. Yes,
Yes, sir.
here we have a falling wedge, and it may be called as wolf wave as well. If you label this as a wolf wave, first target is already done at the entry level. So I don't use that wolf wave thing. Now, this was first time green. It broke the stop loss, went down. This is second time green, or it is a green color. This is first, this is second. Price came down, gave retracement entry, completed first target. Now it is in sideways trend. If candle closes above this 8507, then color will change to green color. And we have a strong PFI, bullish PFI, but strong bearish PFI as well. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bearish PFI numbers. We can see bear dominance, and the bearish force here was slightly weaker, but bulls average ratio is equal for bulls as well as bears. So slightly dominant bears are present. We can see higher PFI on downside. This candle's high is not broken. This candle's high is not broken. This candle's high is not broken. This candle's high just got broken. So latest bearish PFI high is broken. We have a bullish PFI, which is not very strongly bullish as compared to average. It is much smaller. When it closes above this, that will be a good signal. And if we check the momentum, both momentum bands are at higher level. Input green is absent. Level is IIG. That means input green is absent. It is invisible. And chart red is visible. Chart green is also visible. And momentum is strongest bearish momentum, and bias is moderately bullish. So it is unable to decide what to do right now. Definitely not a good candidate for strong momentum, but
Hmm.
it was a candidate for retracement entry and a target level booking.
Hmm.
Because if you see here, there is no big PFI number.
Hmm.
Price came down, gave retracement entry. When it gave retracement entry, at that time, momentum band is present,
Hmm.
continuously present. So it was a good momentum entry, and sorry, retracement entry, not momentum entry. And if we check from this to this, it has given a retracement of 50%. So if you plan to buy at deeper retracement, you will not get a retracement entry here. But at 50%, yes, there was a retracement entry. If I even if I know right now that it has gone up, even if it comes down and creates next time same pattern, I will not buy, because I want to buy at 60 to 75% retracement when it is first time green, especially when there are bearish downside arrows like this.
Yes,
So
sir.
even if I am certain that this is likely to go up, I will not buy.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
But if somebody wants to buy at 50%, this is ideal scenario where we have a bullish momentum band present, and price had closed above this red band, and there were multiple closes above that. So there was nice thing, and this chart time frame band is also green.
Yes, sir.
So that is a plus point. Prices did not come below chart time frame band. It did not come below momentum band. There are two signals here to buy. So lucky line setup had triggered entry, and it had completed this target. This is the reversal point or starting point of this down move. So it went up to that and completed the target. After that, the move ended.
Yes, sir.
Now it is coming down. It has come down and touched this momentum chart time frame bias band. From there, it is reversing. If it closes above this and creates a input green, that will be good sign, and then we can get entries. So till now it is still bullish, but momentum band is absent. That is bad thing. When momentum band is present for bullish move, that is the best thing. Even if chart band is not present, but still momentum band should be present.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next stock.
Ajanta Pharma.
Ajanta Pharma. Ajanta Pharma is clearly sideways. This was first green, this was second green. It has given retracement entry. It has completed first target for retracement entry. So now when we add DDT smart band prices at this time, if we notice, this is the downside momentum band which is continuously present. So even though it turned green, this band is continuously present. And even though momentum bands are coming, they are not constant. They are appearing, disappearing. So I have written one rule that if bearish momentum band is present, it should have disappeared at least once before we decide to take entry. From here we can see it is continuously down, continuously down. So because it is continuously down, the stop is hit because the momentum, bearish momentum never disappeared. So whenever we see this kind of thing, that bearish momentum band is continuously present, that time we should avoid buying, and we must check that the momentum band or bullish momentum band on upside, it should create a higher step like this. It should create a thicker band. Then it increases the chances of having, means avoiding the stop loss and giving us at least one target, even if bearish momentum band is present. So best is to avoid when the momentum band of bearish side is not broken at any time. When both red bands are present, this red band and this one, bearish momentum and bearish bias, when both are present, it is best to avoid the trade. Now that is the reason here stop is hit. If we check PFI numbers, here we had a strong PFI number. Bullish PFI had increased, but still stop got hit because momentum was still downside. Now at next level, what happened? Price, it turned green. Again it came down. But at this time, if you notice, there is a thicker momentum band on bullish side and it is continuously present since many days. And bearish is just sideways. It went up as well. So it is as good as it was broken. Therefore, it came down and it went below the band but did not close below the band. So when bearish momentum band is absent, then we may not see prices penetrating below this. But when bearish momentum band is present, prices may penetrate below this also. So this is just small trade entry here, first target here, not a very big risk reward kind of trade. Okay. And now again, momentum band is going up. So if I want to do anything, I will again wait for retracement entry. We had a change, a continuation. It may come down, give us a retracement entry one more time. It has given second retracement entry actually. This is first retracement entry. Went up, gave second retracement entry. So two retracement entries are already done. But still it may give one more retracement entry. Okay.
Steel Authority of India.
SAIL. We have chart of SAIL. Here we can see it turned green. Price came down, gave retracement entry. At this time, we can see the momentum band. it has turned up, it is thick. It was present for many days here and it stayed there. And what about this? It was present continuously, but it went up as well. So going up means the momentum on downside or bearish momentum is reducing. After that, what happened? It went up, came down again, and it did not go below this, went up, went up. Now it is in bullish momentum, strong bullish momentum. So chart time frame band turned thick here. It is thicker here, and momentum bands are continuously present. And bearish momentum band is rising. So bearish momentum band, when it is rising, it is as good as it is upsent. Either it should be flat or it should be down. That means the bearish momentum is making the prices fall. If it is rising, that is not good for bears. It is good for bulls. So at this level, this bullish momentum band is continuously present. Price came down, touched this band, and again it started moving higher. So when there is a momentum, prices don't come down for retracement. It has given many chances for retracement entries. Then it just kept moving higher and higher. One momentum entry was possible at this level. We have a signal up Y. So this 127.57, that is the level where one could buy for momentum. It went up nicely. This is the area of starting point, and it is a fresh virgin area. We can see it was created in this change and there is no touch to this level after that. Therefore, if you buy here, that is one target where one must exit, do some profit booking. Partial profit booking is necessary. And now if you want to keep on holding, you can hold on for momentum. If you want to hold for trend, then you have to check PFI numbers, and we don't see strong bullish PFI numbers which are significantly high. So I will not keep holding this for unlimited time. I will keep tight stop losses. So if it turns red and closes below momentum, that will be my exit. I don't want price to come below this momentum band and definitely not close below this buying area. So if it closes below that, TRT will turn red, and if I have bought already, I will exit. Right now there is this momentum entry is printed. So if you like to buy momentum entries, earlier we have retracement entries, then you can consider this as momentum entry 1, this as second momentum entry, and this is very close to that. And if you buy here, stop loss will be here. So it is a big stop loss, and if you can hold on for that, that is fine, then you can buy. Keep stop loss below this. But I will not buy because I don't see a big PFI number in the background which can support bullish strong moves. Bull bias, however, is good, and bull intensity is also very high. Okay, Praveen sir.
Thank you, sir.
BSE Limited. This is the chart of BSE, and we can see BSE. It was red here, it turned green, it gave a retracement entry. When it gave a retracement entry, at that time, bullish momentum band had started already, and bearish momentum band had started going up. So this was a good a retracement entry. Again, it went up and gave a momentum entry. So either here or here, one could have bought. This is good momentum entry, and we can see the green band started later on. One more momentum entry which is higher than this. Then multiple entries here. Exit triggered here for this entry. Again, new entry. And right now, what is happening? we have a chart time frame red band, this green band, and input green has become invisible. So bullish momentum has disappeared and TRT color is yellow. Price has closed below this. I'm not confident in this stock now because it has already gone up nicely. It has been moving up from here 769, and if you see the previous move, it is up from this level 167. It has already given multiple chances, and at this time also we can see there was nice retracement entry as bullish momentum band was present continuously. Momentum entry. Now the momentum band is absent, therefore I will not buy. If I am holding it and want to continue holding, then I will keep an eye on 2300 level. Any candle close below that, the TRT will turn red and other signals are not bullish based on DDT. So I will watch at this level. Okay. And next is Adani and Sol. Adani and Sol is in red color. It is downtrend and it is stuck between bullish and bearish momentum. Therefore, momentum is dash. It is in between both bullish and bearish momentum bands. Chart green is present, so bias is strongest bullish bias, but there is no momentum at the time. And TRT color is also red. So I will not do anything in this stock right now. I don't know for how long it will remain sideways. If somebody has already bought based on this, it gave retracement entry. It has not completed the target. So stop loss is below this or below this band. So if candle closes below that, then one can exit. Till that time, just keep on holding. And that level comes to around 770. 775 roughly. Okay, Praveen. Any question in this? Godrej CP. Godrej CP is sideways for now. We can see chart time frame is showing bullish. Momentum is bullish. So as per DDT standard bands, DDT smart bands, it is strongest bullish momentum, strongest bullish bias. But TRT color is still pink. If it closes above this, then it will turn to a green color. And PFI numbers, very high PFI number. So when we see very high PFI number and something like this, it is possible that it may come down, give a retracement entry, complete first target, and later on go into momentum. I will let it come down and complete the retracement. After that, I will wait for confirmation and I will take only a confirmation entry. There is a noise in background. Okay. Okay, Praveen. So for Godrej consumer products, I will not do anything. I will let price come down. Let me check on 75 minutes. 75 minute is strong bullish move and it is coming down for retracement. And we can see momentum band is way high. Now it has become invisible. So at least it should change the trend again on 75-minute. Momentum again should turn bullish. Only then I will be confident. Mm. So it is almost completing 50% retracement, 50, 60, 75%. It may come up to 1204. It may come up to this. I'll wait for prices to complete the retracement. Do something which gives me more confidence. Okay. Fine then. Any other stock or should we end the session? Okay. Good night, everyone.
Good night, Prashant.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night.